Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. Sagalang tumka येवकार माझ्या cooking channelaचेर. So today I'm going to show you all how we make chicken salad at home. So this is chicken salad recipe. So for that I have taken cooked chicken, boiled, means like cooked only with olive oil and pepper powder. And so we need this 100 gram, few salad leaves, few iceberg leaves, one avocado, cubes, sliced in cubes, and then we need little bit of cabbage. Then this is another cabbage, purple cabbage, boiled eggs, one half lime, few, this is dill, that is our shepu, one, this is half onion chopped, sliced, these are one green chili, and this is one tomato. So this all ingredients. Then we need olive oil, some honey, and some pepper. So this all we need. So this we need in cubes. Like chunks, you can say. So म्हणता तुमकां हे सगळे सामग्री आनी हे 100 ग्रॅम्स तुमकां सुबेज जाय जाल्यार सुबेज घालूं येता चिकन, पूण हांवें हे 100 ग्रॅम्सूच घेतला बोनलेस चिकन, आनी ताका ऑलिव्ह ऑयलान मातशें सॉस आयला आनी धांपून हें केलां, मीठ लायला, ऑलिव्ह ऑयल 1 टीस्पून एंड सम पेपर पावडर. सो तुमच्यान प्लेन पण बॉयल करूं येता आनी ही तांतयां बॉयल्ड केल्या 3. ओके, तर आतां आमी करून घेवया. So these are cubed, so I will put it last, otherwise it will become less. So, and salad leaves you can just leave it like this also, or you can chop it into fine, depend how you want. So I try to keep them not very this. I like the whole. We'll take the bowl first. So we'll add our onions, chilies, tomatoes, few this in this flavor, and cabbages. Eggs and all will put last, and then we'll mix. Then we have to shred this boneless chicken. So salads is one of the favorites of my husband. Even if he goes in any resorts, whether are buffets and all, first thing he will run to salads. Different types of salads in whichever resorts we went. So if you want more chicken, then please add more chicken. I'm just giving a flavor to this chicken salad because it is chicken salad. Mayonnaise I'm not adding, but yes, if you want you can add mayo. It's your choice. So do you all eat regular salads at your home, or it's only occasionally? Please do let me know in comment section. Now this is the 100 gram. Now we will season it with some flavors. some pepper powder. Then we'll add some honey. So at around 1 teaspoon of honey or tablespoon of honey you can add. Then we'll add some olive oil. How do you taste this? So again 1 tablespoon. And yes, so now we'll mix this up, and we have to add some salt also. Okay, so I'll add some salt. So some salt to taste. And give a mix to this. We'll add our greens to this now. Now we will add our boiled eggs, and this is lime juice first. So half lime juice is enough for this because tomatoes are also there. Now we'll add our eggs. And our avocado. And we'll give avocado is tasty. Taste. And then our salad is ready to serve. It's so yummy and delicious, and chicken salad looks yum with all this mixed with eggs, avocado. So enjoy this salad. Thank you. Manta tumka ye soglang आवडटले आणि करून खायात ये chicken salad without mayo. Mayo घालूंक ना because already I am adding egg. Thank you so much. Now let's serve this salad. So if you don't want to have a heavy dinner, then you can just have this salad. Enjoy chicken salad. Some greens. And I will sprinkle this shepu, that is our their favorite. And here is a boiled egg side. However you want to decorate it, but enjoy every bite of chicken salad. with the richness of avocado. Enjoy. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां हें आवडटलें आनी तुमी हें करून खातलीं. Thank you so much. Chicken salad. Enjoy chicken salad. A wholesome, delicious dish.